Hello everyone, welcome back to another Tooltip Tuesday. Last week we just started looking at the RM35 and the new feature. Now here on your screen I've opened a simple ball nose end mill. Now one thing which is quite common is once the fluting of a tool is carried out, a normal or a best practice is to digitize the helix of the flute so that the correct OD and ball finish operations can be performed. So let's go ahead and add an operation which is the digitize lead helix shear, and I would like that to be just after fluting, and that's exactly what it is. Now in RM35, when you select digitize lead helix operation, you are now presented with a few red dots, and these are basically the digitizing points what are specified here. So let us go ahead and say the index position I just want 1, but for lead helix shear let's say I want all, and approximate I will leave it at none, and for the digitizing type I will select distance. That's just my preference. And as you can see very clearly, the red dots are matching with whatever is being specified. Now this can be quite useful either in manufacturing or regrinding for you to visualize the position of digitizing. As you can see, 20 is too far away, and which may require us to go back and correct it to let's say 15 millimeter, and then automatically now you can see the digitizing distance, or you could even further extend it to maybe 17 millimeter, and this is one quick way of visualizing. Now if the lead helix shear is selected to none, then what will happen is you will definitely have the one index position has been selected, and therefore one index position is being picked up here, and it's usually the flute 1 on the cutting tool. So there is another tooltip on how to visualize the digitizing points while programming it during the operation on the machine. So another feature. Let me get back to you with a few more, and thank you again for watching.